This is Desi and Brandy, and we're gonna be doing a video on how to be a cat. No, this is not. We're not like copying Lita. We're doing different things in the video. Maybe we'll do the first thing because we need cat stuff. So yeah.
Moving on.
Moving on. So the first thing you gotta do is get your nose and your whiskers. Okay, so you got your cat face. Now you got the next step is being a cat. You have to take every spot available, and you have to, like, if someone's in your spot, you know, claw at them, so. Ow! Next step, you got to never pay attention to any kind of love.
Come here. You love me. Love me. Come here, love me. Come back!
Cats are constantly bathing themselves. I'm a cat. Meow. Some cats play with things and some cats don't. Some cats just sit there and play with absolutely nothing, while some cats like to play with things that are hanging up, things they're not supposed to play with. Wow. 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 Cats always take people's spots. When someone's sitting somewhere and they move to come back, cats are sitting there. Can't move them. They're cats. Move.
What the fuck? Oh, bastard.
Cats don't play with other cats well.
No. Your corner. Your corner. Corner!
That's how you become a cat. You guys should also check out Lita Bear's YouTube. She has more videos on how to be a cat, and hers are better. And she has a lot of good really funny videos, so you guys should check that out. Bye. Bye. Ow. Ow.
Alright, break it up, break it up, break it up.
You're stupid.
God, I know. I feel like I'm talking to like a person. Like a fight. Cops! You know what, dude? Do you like pee on yourself? No? Okay. Just water. Here's the bigger.
Oh.
That's a blooper.
Oops. They made it fall.
He doesn't love you.
My precious.
Gabby,
Precious.
Gabby, come here.
Ow! You fucking claws! Ah!
Come here. I'm sorry, I'll rescue you. Come.
Meow, 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 meow,
Dude, you
meow.
just like bit my finger.
Oh, you're welcome. I was wondering what that was.
No, don't leave me.
Come back!
Love me. It's just like you.